Alright, during the last video we saw how to install LXD and initialize LXD. So right now we'll try to create a container with the help of LXD and add some remote images and copy those images in our LXD container and create a new container from this resource. And to do that, um, we will start with checking our current JDFS pull list, so we can tell how much um, resource we have consuming right now in our system. So to do that, we can use jet pull list. It will tell you what is the size of the LXD currently um, LXD container currently using. It is 60 GB. Alright, and LXD container is already online, so we will check the status of the LXD container. So to do that, jet pull status, which tell there is no error in the storage, so it is very much important. So next, we'll see is there any image source or any particular ways image are being stored in our local. To achieve this, we can run this command, but before starting that, we will create a group called LXD. So new group LXD, it will create a group, and we'll see the LXD image list. So it is currently generating the client's certificate, and it is telling that there is no image are located in the local right now. So we'll copy some image or from the remote source. To do this, we will add some command. So it's already existed. So if we give a remote list, we can see the image list up there. We can see there is couple of image lists up there, Ubuntu daily and images. So for our use, we will use the default right now. So we'll copy the image at first, LXD remote based images. That will tell us the name of the images, and we'll copy the trusty version. Image copy images, we'll use the trusty version. So to get that, we will use this command, image, there is no Ubuntu 1404, local alias version would be Ubuntu trusty, we can call it trusty. So currently it is being copied in our system. The images in our local system, the image is copying from the Ubuntu source. Alright, the image is already copied to our system. So right now we'll check if the image is already in our system or not. To do that, we will run this command, which will give us idea if the image is already in our system. We can see that Ubuntu's 14.04 LTS MD64 version is already in our system. So right now there is one thing we can do. We can launch this image from here. To do that, we can use this command. It's called launch frosty. uh, I am giving the name of the container is fast container. Alright, so image is being launched right now. So if we see the list, we can see there is a container which is running right now, and it already assigned a private IP for the container. So all we want to do, we will try to SSH to this container. So LXC exec fast container bin bash. We will use the bash for it. So we are in the system um, of the container we just created. So if we give the lsb underscore release -a, it will give us the description of the container we are using. We are using the Ubuntu 14.04 LTS version. So if we uh, get out from this system, we can see that uh, we are using the ALSB release version Ubuntu 16.04. So the container is properly created. So we'll check right now if our container actually connected with the internet, so we can use in different purposes. So let's give some command to check the internet is working. You can see that it can connect from the source to update the container. So it is properly working right now. So this is how we can create a container using the LXD, as many as we can, and also we can deploy different application within the container and use it for any kind of apps or web application over there, and deploy it as early as possible for our scaling of any sites or apps. So this is how we can do it, and we can also stop the container and remove the container also. So we have a fresh LXD ecosystem on our instance. So to do that, we will give this command like LXD stop fast container and it will stop our container. We can also start it. Alright, and we can see that it is properly working or not. Alright, so it is properly working right now. This is how we use the initialize the container and also use the container within the LXD and deploy different application over there. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope we'll come with different LXD video in future. So thank you.